I just want to take a little bit of length off of the bottom here and then fix these layers and kind of frame my face a little bit more. I feel like they're too sparse, I would say, and I want them to look a little bit thicker. I mean, I guess it could just be because it's almost 2 months grown out right now.
You're talking about the ends,
yes.
too thinned out?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. This is the natural texture of your hair?
It is, yeah.
So when you wash it and dry it naturally,
yeah, it's just
dries how it looks.
And, yeah.
Okay. So when the hair is quite straight and the texture is fine, and I think you get a little bit longer face, so combine the 3 elements together, make everything around the face very flat. That's why when you look at yourself from the front, you feel like this area is just hanging because the texture, the softness of the hair, and the shape of your face. Okay, so if I do end up going slightly shorter to here, regardless of how much I add rounded shape at the front, this part is gonna always have an issue that's hanging.
I see.
Because forget about the front, the area after the front, which is this one, I cannot go too short with it.
I see.
Otherwise, you're gonna have a big drop between the front and the back.
Right.
Because you need the connecting area. This connecting area, it's so important, so you feel like there's hair between the front and the back. It's not just a sudden drop from short to long.
Okay.
But this area at the same time, it's what gives you the flat head look. Means we have to try to combine between the graduate look at the front without going shorter, and try to work on your hair on the top, because your head here, you got a little bit pointed head, the hair grows sideways. What I'm gonna do at the crown part, the layer that is gonna be added on the top, it's not gonna be connected with the rest of the hair, but it's not gonna be standalone where you can see a line.
Cool.
But this light layer here, in order to achieve a good combination of having a layer without seeing it, I have to keep it as skinny as possible.
Yeah.
It can be deep all the way to your crown, but I have to keep it as skinny as possible.
Okay.
When this happens, it will leave a good bounce without leaving a mark, without leaving a line. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And it has to carry all the way to your crown. So when you leave your hair without any blow dry, you feel like, okay, there is some movement, there's some life into it. All right?
Wonderful. Right at my chin, maybe?
A bit lower, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Because you do have that curve over here, so the shorter you go, it's not gonna sit like this. I always like to keep it slightly longer so the ends of it hook
Right.
to the hair at the back. The minute it gets too short, it will not attach to the rest of the hair.
Okay.
Then it's gonna be hanging. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it when it's dry now, so me and you, we can see the progress of the haircut.
Cool.
Then we can wash it after.
Awesome.
All right.
I love it.
Yeah. Looks so fancy.
It's so much more shaped now.
You see how much I cut from the top? Like literally this layer here was all the way down. Like I chopped off that much. But even with all that, you don't see it. Like the way how it transits, it blends, it's amazing. So even if we have movement at the front, rounded shape, a nice layer at the top, you're still maintaining a thick ends and you don't see any choppy. Like
Right.
if you look at the side now, you see this comes from the front, so there is no choppy hair over here. And you don't see this layer is disconnected from the rest of the hair.
Exactly.
Flipping your hair right and left, your hair has the freedom to do that because it's not long anymore, so you can freely flip it around and you will have a nice bounce too.
Wonderful.
You look amazing. I need you to stand up, please. If you look at the back,
Oh, I love it.
you can see all these bouncy layers
So
there at
much
the
better.
last 2 inches. And this is the layer that's coming from the top. It's actually adding more movement to it. So there's
That's
a lot
wonderful.
of life to the haircut. The haircut's still rounded shape. It looks much more healthy and alive. Stunning. Beautiful. You can